There's a look at the satellite loop this afternoon. It struggled a little bit as it worked across the Yucatan, but it's over very favorable weather conditions at this point. Warm water in the Gulf of Mexico, low wind shear. The outflow is right across Florida, bringing in showers and storms through our area, and that'll continue overnight into Thursday. In fact, the winds here will peak on Thursday as the storm is trying to develop an eye once again. It's trying to get rid of the dry air that got entrained near the center. Notice how on the northern edge of this, northern and eastern quadrant, starting to get bright red once again. So it's getting rid of that dry air that hindered it from gaining more strength this afternoon, but eventually going from a 2 to a 4 on Thursday afternoon. Then a landfall that's around the Big Bend, that would be tomorrow evening as a 4, and then wrapping up all the way into western Kentucky and Tennessee. That'll be on Friday and Saturday. Here are the breakdown for county by county of what we're expecting. 2 to 4 inches of rain in Palm Beach County. Winds anywhere from about 30 to perhaps 40 and 45. We are under a tropical storm warning, and that means our winds could exceed 40 miles an hour. Martin County, 2 to 4 inches of rain. Again, about 30 to 45 mile an hour winds at the peak tomorrow. Similar conditions expected for St. Lucie County. Up around Indian River County, the winds may be a little bit stronger, a little bit closer, especially around Fellsmere and western Indian River County, where you get a little bit closer to the center of circulation in the Gulf. And then in Okeechobee County, I'll put down 50 mile an hour winds. Hopefully it's not stronger than that. These are sustained winds. These are not wind gusts. And we're going to be dealing with these from mid to late morning tomorrow through likely the late afternoon, maybe even early evening. The Vipercast model showing bands of rain continuing here and big breaks in between that. And the sun broke through many times during the day. But when the rain comes down, it is torrential. And we can get a quick 1, 2, 3 inches of rain in a very short period of time. We'll see that tonight and tomorrow too. Tropical storm warning showing up in blue almost the entire state, with the exception of the hurricane warning around the Big Bend. This is in effect along with a flood watch for our area, because we could get those quick downpours adding up 2 and 3 inches of rain in an hour or two. That will cause flooding, especially with the saturated ground that we already have. One of the good news things is that we have less than a 1 in 5 chance of seeing tropical storm force winds on the latest probability map, which is pretty impressive. I'm a little surprised. I thought those numbers would be a little bit higher here, considering we're in the wind field. The showers and storms, you can see more just off the coast of Palm Beach. Some of this continues to build back toward the west, so we're going to keep an eye on that band as it pulls through. The Treasure Coast not as active right now. All right, tonight, looking at showers and storms, some gusty winds, some heavy rain, and high 70s and low 80s. Windy tomorrow. Rain squalls, feeder bands working in, south winds 30, 35, perhaps 40 miles an hour in some spots. Friday, starting to improve slowly. The weekend, not too bad, but there'll still be high rain chances around on the weekend, and then getting a little bit brighter as we get into early next week.